Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making Badam Shake. So let's get started. So first of all, we need 1 pack of frozen milk, sugar according to your taste, 1/4 cup of skin removed almonds, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. So first of all, we need to take a blender, then add almonds into it, then sugar, then add the frozen milk into it, now add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream into it. Now close the lid and start blending it. Badam shake is ready. Now let's serve them. So now for decoration, add each scoop of ice cream onto the Badam shake. Now place almonds on top of it. Badam shake is ready. Hope you all love the video. Thank you for watching.